Hi, Mattress Mac with my friend Nery. Nery owned the B&W Boy Nancy William Auto Repair, 7720 North Shepherd. How many years were you there?
34 years in business.
Wow, 34 years is almost as long as I've been here. I've been here 44 years. And on the day of June 2nd, 2025 at 5 p.m. had a massive fire, right?
Massive, yeah.
The fire started behind you in a different business.
Yes, right behind us, yes sir.
And then it spread into your business.
Yeah, it spread within minutes.
How big was your place?
12,000 square feet.
12,000 square feet. How many cars did you have inside the building?
24.
24. Were they all destroyed?
Every single one, sir, yeah.
How long did it take to burn up your auto shop?
I saw everything gone within an hour and 30 minutes. It was just down to nothing.
Devastating feeling, right?
Oh my God.
Worst feeling in the world, heartbreaking, and it started in the business behind you and they had no insurance.
That's my understanding at this point, yes sir.
And it doesn't look like your insurance is going to cover nearly enough, right?
1/3 probably.
Thank God nobody got hurt, right?
Thank God, that's the priority and that makes me feel real good.
How many employees did you have?
16, sir.
Each employee had his own toolkit, right?
Yes, that's correct. Everybody has their own hand tools and everybody lost everything. So right now we're trying to figure out a way to get back on our feet and start working again. Gallery
Furniture going to donate $1,000 a week for at least 10 weeks to help Nery get back on his feet. He's done great work for us out here. My security car here was all redone by Nery. And he's a great guy, great Houstonian, great part of the community. So I'm asking all of our friends out there to donate to B&W Auto Repair, help them rebuild after the fire. It's on GoFundMe, right?
GoFundMe, help B&W. That's how you will find us on the GoFund app.
God bless you. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for keeping the faith.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.